So this is Gold West. This is a 2 to 4 player game, 45 to 60 minutes, age 14 plus. So here's the rule book. And you build the board, so like it kind of you have like the puzzle pieces, the road board. There's also oh, you punch out here, Boomtown, so that's interesting. And in there you put the hex pieces that I'll show you in a second. Here's some tokens. It's a decent thickness. There's the center of the board, the tokens. So you know, variable setup. That is always cool. A little river. Cards. Player pieces. The showcases the little wagon for each player, and the pickaxe and mining person. So these are the player colors, and then we have, I guess, some resources probably. We also have player boards. They're decent quality, not the thickest, but they're good.